let's say, your first term.
Yes.
What do you hope for Haiti in those 5 years?
But today, I'm working hard to be close with the parliament, because no way a president can work without deputies, without senators. It's really important for me today to get those people close to me and to work together to fight now, because politics.
During the campaign and saw some of the conditions that people are living.
Put your heart and your head together. In Haiti, when you come from the countryside, the people live in PowerPoints. They think they know everything, but it's not true.
Yeah.
This is I'm the example.
That's interesting.
On the countryside, you have good people also, with knowledge, with vision, with capacity also. You have the next day before your birthday, you are 48, and when you got the past president like your close friend, it will good for you to get this experience. But I will work with him to see what is the mistake he was made and what is the success he was made also, to put them together. Like I told on my campaign, I will continue, I will make a lot of correction, and I will improve also. But I will work close with him because he is a past president, is a former president. It's really important for me to know exactly what is, to learn about his experience. But it's not President Martelly only. I talk with other former presidents in Haiti.
Yeah.
We are on elite. We cannot fighting.
President.